how to play 1080 by 1080 on CS2 AMD. So first you want to check your system requirements for CS2 and AMD. Ensure that you're having all of this right here. For smoother gameplay, make sure you have this right here. And make sure your AMD graphics card and drivers are set up for date for optimal performance. Then set up a custom 1080 by 1080 resolution in AMD Radeon settings. So to do this, you want to open AMD Radeon software, right click on your desktop, then select AMD Radeon software. If you don't have it installed, download it from the AMD website, navigate to the display settings in the Radeon software, and then click the settings gear icon in the top right, go to display tab, then create custom resolution. So scroll down to the custom resolution section, click create to add a new resolution, enter 1080 for both the horizontal and vertical resolution, and ensure the refresh rate matches your monitor standards, then click save, apply the new resolution. So go back to your display settings and set the 1080 by 1080 resolution as your active display settings. Then adjust CS2 settings for 1080 by 1080 resolution. Once you've configured the 1080 by 1080 resolution through the AMD settings, you need to configure CS2 to use this resolution for a seamless experience. So to set 1080 by 1080 resolution in CS2, open up CS2, navigate to the video settings, and the resolution, select 1080 by 1080. If it doesn't appear in the list, restart CS2 after creating the custom resolution in your AMD settings. Then click apply to save the settings, and then test your performance. Then you can enjoy CS2 and 1080 by 1080 on AMD. If this helped you, subscribe, but for now, goodbye.